Hey folks, I'm Mike, and you haven't seen a lot of me recently. Reason behind that is that I've been really sick. Not to get into any details, but I was sick enough that I almost needed hospitalization, sick for a few weeks, and as a result, I didn't have any energy or any time to post any videos. Last week was the first time that I at all felt like recording, but I was still really sick. And I used that to my advantage, and I posted this video in a group. I see how it is, Capper. You help a guy come up with a good idea, and then you wait a little bit. Let him prove that idea out. And then, when he's down, when he's sick, when he's not feeling well, you kick him in the teeth and you take his idea. You take his idea that was working for him, the one that he came up with, and you make it your own. I see how it is, Cappuccino. I got your number now, buddy. I got your number now. Here's the deal. I'm coming for you. And when I find you, you're not going to be able to hide. Because when I find you... Now, anybody that knows me knows that I'm not a guy that goes around and makes threats. And as a matter of fact, Chad Capper, we were laughing about this thing because it was so over the top and so funny. And it was obviously a joke. And I posted it in a group as a joke. And, you know, it's more of an adult group, whatever. And I was really shocked and concerned that a lot of people didn't get the fact that it was a joke. So I ultimately took it down. And because people just kept commenting on it. I gotta say that being as sick as I was, having no chance to film, no energy to film, no creative energy, and really no time at all to do anything but be sick and maybe work a little bit, left me with a lot of introspective juices, if you will. And one of the things I've realized is that the FPV community is really, really toxic. And I've had a conversation with several people recently that are just like, hey, I'm just going to take a break. I don't want to be in the melee anymore. And I kind of get that. I kind of get that a lot because, I mean, nobody wants to put themselves out there and be torn to pieces. And when they do get torn to pieces, it's very hard to take it objectively. And even when you are gifted at taking it objectively, it will get to you over time as people kind of tear into you. And I've seen certain members of our community tear into other certain members of our community over and over and over again. Guys, it's got to stop. It's got to stop, because if it doesn't, this entire community will implode on itself. We as a community have got to decide if we're going to be savage and tear each other to pieces, or if we're going to instead like instill the awesome spirit that we get when we fly into our online forums. Maybe you don't want to hear this. Maybe this isn't for you. That's fine. But just realize that behind all these keyboards is a real person. And when we get aggressive and angry with each other, it is hurtful in a lot of ways. And some of us weather that storm really well because we have perspective. Some of us have weathered it, but it's been chipped away and it's really taken its toll. And some of us just never were able to weather it at all. There's no need to be savage to each other. And we as a community need to think about that and maybe take a step back, catch our breath, and really think about how we're going to respond to each other. Anyways, I'm Mike. That's what I got to say. Hopefully there'll be some new stuff very soon. Talk talk to you later. Bye.